So children, the next thing is about food from animals. Okay, so food from animals. So kids, please see here. So can you all able to see this? Yes. Children, please tell me, where do we get this egg? Nitila, where do we get this egg? From shop, ma'am. Yes, shop only. How you get this? Very good. This is the egg of chicks, right? Yes, this is the egg of hen, chickens, right? Okay, so we get egg from chick. We get egg from chick. So just see here, this is hen. So we get egg from chickens. That is egg. We get egg from chickens. Okay. Next, what is this? What is this? Ma'am, everything is looking white in color. What is this? Yeah, very good. This is milk. This is milk. Okay. So please children, morning, evening, usually you should take milk. Please avoid coffee and tea. That is not good for your health, or some soft drinks like what you have. Miranda, Fanta, fruity, that you should avoid. Okay, so you have to drink milk. Okay, milk is very good for our health. Okay, so it keeps our bones very strong. Okay, so morning and evening you must take milk. Okay, so where do we get this milk? Where do we get this milk? Yes, we get this milk from cow or buffaloes, right? We get this milk from cow or buffalo. So children, please tell me, from this milk what we can prepare. What are all the things we can prepare? How many of you like to drink rose milk? Yes. How you get this rose milk? With the help of this milk only. Okay. So they have, like, we have rose milk powder. What we have? Rose milk powder. So we mix that rose milk powder inside this milk, in the sense, into the milk we will get rose milk, and we should add sugar, right? We should add sugar. Then only we get that sweetness, right? So how we prepare this rose milk? We have to add rose powder inside this, so that we will get rose milk. So then what we can use? Do you all know one thing? Do you all love to eat paneer? Paneer? Yes, paneer, butter paneer masala. Yes, ma'am, we all love to eat butter paneer masala. Then how will you get this thing? Yes, we get this paneer from this milk. Okay, from this milk only we get this paneer. Okay, we get paneer from milk. Then same, we get buttermilk and curd. We get buttermilk and curd also from this milk. See how useful this milk is, right? Okay, so then what is this thing, my dear kids? What is this? Ghee. What is it? Ghee, right? This also we get from milk. And the next thing is what? Butter. This is butter. So this butter we get from this buttermilk. We get butter from buttermilk. This is homemade butter. So if we go for shop, it will be like slices, it will be there, right? So that is not a that is also a butter, and this one is homemade butter. Okay, we get this butter from buttermilk, and this thing is curd. This also we get from milk. So how you get this curd and buttermilk? You please ask your mom. She will tell you. Night time, you please go and see what she's doing, so that you can know how we get this buttermilk and curd. Okay, from curd we will get this buttermilk. This is easy. So from this buttermilk we will get butter. So these are all the things which we get from animals. So kids, please tell me, what is this? Egg we get from hen. Hen is also called, we can call chickens. Okay, so next is milk we get from cow or buffaloes. From this milk we can prepare rose milk, badam ghee, and paneer. Paneer also we can prepare. From this milk only we can prepare curd and also buttermilk both. From buttermilk we prepare this butter. From buttermilk we prepare this butter. This butter, when we heat, we will get this ghee. Very easy, right? So this butter, when we heat, we will get this ghee. Okay. So for this, the main thing is what? Milk is the main thing, right? So when we have milk, we can prepare paneer. So from milk only, we get both curd and buttermilk. Once we get buttermilk, we can take butter from that. With the help of this butter, we can make ghee. So these are all things whether we get from animals or plants. Where we get? Nishant, you please tell me. Yes, of course, we get it from animals. And do you all love to eat chicken? Meat. Do you all love to eat meat? What is this? Chicken. So, this we call it as from hen. Whatever we get is called chicken. And what is this one? Mutton. So, from where we get this mutton? From goat. Okay. So, together we call it as meat. Okay. Meat in the sense both chicken and mutton. Okay. Meat which is called both mutton and chicken. Okay. And also we like to eat fish. So, this fish where we see? Where we find? Yes, we can see it in oceans, rivers, right? Usually in Bhavani Sagar, it will be there, and Kodiveri, if you see, they will go with fish fry. Yes, such a good smell we get, right? So we eat all those things, right? So that things we get from animals. Okay, kids, hope you all are clear, I think. So what are all the food we get from animals? From animals, egg, milk, paneer, curd, buttermilk, butter and ghee. Okay. So for this, which is the main source to prepare all these items, which is the main item, main food, main thing, this is milk. Okay. Milk is the main source. So to prepare all this item, milk is the main source. From milk, we get this curd. This curd turns to buttermilk. Again, from buttermilk, we will take butter. And this butter, when we heat, we will get ghee, right? Okay, ghee which means neigh, right? Yeah. So, kids, I hope you all understood very well. So, once again, we can recap. I'm going to ask questions. Get ready. Now, Ritik, you please tell me. Ritik K. What are all the food we get from plants? What is this? See, I will ask you randomly. You have to answer. What is this? Pulses. Very good. What is this? Cereals. What is this? Cereals. This one? Spices. This is fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. So you know very well which we can eat as raw. Which we can eat as raw. You can tell me which we can eat as raw. Very good. Tomato, carrot, onion. And even fruit pomegranate also we can eat as raw. And which we should cook? Potato, right? So here I have only potato. So I am showing this thing. Okay. So most of the food usually we cook and then only we can eat. We usually eat. Okay. Few are like this. Carrot, tomato, onion. We can eat as it is. Okay. So these are all the things which we get from plants. So the things what we get from animals, and this also there. What is this? Oil. Right? Oil also we get from plants. Next is animals. So tell me, what are all the things we get from animals? Yeah. Egg. Milk. From milk we get curd, buttermilk, butter, ghee, paneer. Right? So We also like to eat meat. That meat also we get from animals, right? Yes, goat as well as hen, right? Okay. So kids, that's all. Hope you all understood, I think. If you have any queries, you please ask me. So now we are going to do activity, right?